The block is now clean and ready. Piston and rings are replaced with new ones. Head cleaned, new gasket on, torquing now. The seats are newly installed, the door panel is updated, the analog dashboard has been cleaned, and the wiring is tidied up. Sand the rusted areas down to clean, bare metal. Apply a thin layer of filler to level the patches. Now spray on the epoxy primer evenly. Final pink highlight paint applied to the 1992 Subaru Impreza. Thick clear coat gloss enhances the body's lines.
The 1992 Subaru Impreza restoration is complete. The boxer engine starts perfectly, keeping the journey a flawless result.